After the wonderful performances, now we are requesting Mr. Ravindra Chamaria, Chairman and Managing Director, Infinity Group, to share his thoughts. Sir, please.
Thank you. First of all, my compliments to all the participants for the beautiful performance. To start with my wife, Mrs. Chamaria, for a beautiful flower arrangement. It was very nice and thought provoking. Also to Ravi for his poem and to all the artists who have participated. My compliments and best wishes to all of them. Today is our 75th Independence Day. We all are celebrating it. Congratulations to everybody and also my best wishes. And we are proud that yes, we are now independent. There is no doubt about it that India is now an independent country. But the Independence Day, I would like to talk about independence a little bit more. With the independence means you are out of shackle, you are out of your captivity. So as a country, yes, we are independent, but there are many captivities are still with us. Our mind is captivated, our thoughts are captivated. There is something that happened in the past, we are holding it. There are so many things we are prisoner of. And we the real independence come when you really independent in your thinking, independent in your working, independent in every respect of life. Independence is important. We are we have something happened 20 years back, we are still carrying on. There are thoughts which we have you know kept we have kept in our mind, we are still carrying on. There are certain knowledge which we feel that that's the ultimate, and so forth and so on, so on and so forth. So the most important part according to me is the independence of everything, be it country, be it thought, be it relationship, be it knowledge. And that will only come once you are open, once you are ready to learn, once you are ready to change. Like this independence which has come to India, it also has come with lot of caveats, has come with lot of responsibility, has come with lot of things to do. Just we can feel proud of it, we are independent, doesn't make any sense. With independence, we have to understand that there is a responsibility. There is a things which you need to do. You need to feel proud, at the same time you need to feel duty bound. So my message to all of you is that yes, we must feel proud, great about the independence, but we must not forget about duties, our responsibilities. And also we should just not we should also try and work on ourselves, that are we really independent. Otherwise, as a country, yes, I understand, but the country independence will also remain as long as we all work for the country, or as long as we all feel for the country. It's just not that a celebration is the celebration is an important part, of course it must come, but we must also try and learn that with this celebration there are duties, responsibilities. That's one thing. And at the same time, I would also say that it's an interdependent world, it's an interdependent planet. We should not feel alone, we should not feel that yes, I am independent, the world is over. No, it's everything is interdependent. If you look at the planet, if you look at the nature, if you look at everything, we are also so much dependent on the earth, we are so much dependent on each other, we are so much dependent on our ecosystem. So we must respect that interdependent part also of each other, that yes, we are all interdependent. It is not that yes, we are independent and there is nothing else in the world. So that's what my small uh, you know message to all my colleagues, friends and associates. And I wish you all, and Anindo and your team, you have done a great job. I am so happy and proud that the way you have organized the whole thing. Keep it up. Thank you very much.